Hello viewers, it's an image in Photoshop. We are going to edit. In Photoshop, use the curve here. We will use that curve on the surface. So I will try the different option. There is a filter. Choose the camera filter here. That will add some colors and brightness for the visibility of the image. Add some temperature tint as well. Go to the exposure. Further we will add different features here. So use the paint around it. I will choose that paint. Use the different structure here. So we will try to make a selection around the image. Made a layer